Hey everyone, welcome to dubventures. This is it. It's house tour time. Let's go.
Hello and welcome back to another dubventures video. Welcome to our house tour. So as you're going to see through this house tour, there is a lot of things that are going to be a bit messy. There's going to be boxes, there's spare carpet, but anyway, let's go. This is going to be the living room with my nice 65-inch TV, and no, none of that is staying, but my furniture didn't arrive today. It's coming next week. Oh, and just to point out, something for the van. I'll take you to the kitchen, which has got to say is my favourite room in the house.
And who designed this kitchen, Brooke?
Me. Ta-da! Nice, bright and airy and amazing views.
We'll come to the views at the end of the video. Now also in today's video, we've also spoke about in one of the previous videos about how we're having a shower in the van. It's actually arrived now and it's in two bits, but we're going to show you one of them that's actually going to allow us to actually have a shower in the van.
Downstairs toilet. Pretty sure you've all seen a toilet before. So up to the first floor, because there's a lot of stairs in this house. So this is going to be the dubventures office, but as you can tell, I've not got around to sorting everything out yet.
We have only just moved in and we've got all this to sort out. We've still got to build some wardrobes, but let's have a quick look at this view.
This is going to be a guest room plus my walk-in wardrobe, which hasn't been complete yet. I built one, but not the other yet.
We've got one wardrobe made and lots of things. Eh?
Did you say we?
Yeah, I helped you. I helped you to do this wardrobe.
And one screw.
Right, so let's just have a look at the view out of this room.
Main bathroom.
And who designed this?
Me. So this is going to be the guest room, which is mainly for my mum and dad, but for everyone else as well, which is an absolute mess at the minute. More deliveries for things for the van, but you will see those in an upcoming video.
Yes, we have got lots and lots of deliveries, things that we're going to be using for the van and that.
This is the ensuite bathroom, but it's an ensuite bathroom.
Show them, Brooke, show them. You'll have to climb over everything. I'm not going to be able to climb over. Lots of things everywhere.
We're now going to go up to the second floor to the main bedroom. I'm not going to show you everything in the bedroom because some things need to be private, but I will show you the view.
Right, what we're going to do now is we're going to show you one of our favourite bits about the house, the garden. So let's go and take a look. You have to admit, guys, that's a big, beautiful view for a garden.
So we did promise that I was going to show you the house, which is, here it is. It's not finished, but it's getting there. So a lot of people did ask to see the house, so that's why we filmed it as well. But just so you know, the van is permanently with us now on the drive, so we have got lots and lots of travel coming up, so we can get back to dubventures and what dubventures does best.
Yes, and that's travel and everything. Now we have said a few times before, when we actually sold our house, because there was a delay and everything, we'd actually already bought the van, and where we was living temporarily, we had nowhere to park the van.
And so it went into storage.
So we had to put the van in storage. So we got the van and as soon as we got it, it had to go into storage, and it wasn't easy for us to be able to access the van.
Which is why you only seen it when we actually booked it in.
Yeah, to have all the work done. But now that we've actually got the van with us, we're just giving you an update as we're in the house now, and we have got travel plans, and we are going to be doing a lot more with the channel.
So we have had a lot of support from people, because obviously we have had a lot of difficult times recently. But we're back, we're on it, and it's time to have some fun.
We've not been able to, like I said, film the videos that we wanted to do, but like Brooke just said, you know, it's going to be like easier because, you know, we've moved now, we've got the van. Anyone that's followed our story for a long time, all this has been going on for over a year.
Yeah.
And like Brooke said, it has been difficult, but we're on it.
So as Tom said to you in the last video, we have got a 3-week road trip planned, and I'm planning it, so it's going to be awesome.
If you do know, when Brooke
it's going to be amazing.
Yeah, when Brooke plans road trips, you know, the places that we go to, they're amazing. Right.
I'm not going to tell you where I'm going yet because I haven't fully finished it. I'm going to a few places in one trip.
And you know what? There's going to be a few elements of like doing it in a different way, but you're going to see. Right. Shall we show them the shower?
Show them the shower.
Let's go.
So we got sent this from Mud Daddy, which is also for this little van here.
And what this actually is, as Thor's having an investigation of it, is actually a portable shower that can be used, if you see in the pictures here, they can be used for washing your mountain bike, and it's a pressurised system that you can wash your dogs. It's got like shampoo with it.
So we also got this connection so that we can actually use it for a shower in a shower tent, which we will show you.
Are you excited that you'll be able to have a shower? Yes, so Mud Daddy have actually sent us that, and like I said, it can actually be used to have a shower, so we're buzzing about that, and you can also use it to keep Thor clean. I'm going to put a link in the description, and obviously we are going to be using it in future videos, and we'll show you. We just wanted to show you that we've actually got it. Is that the pressurised system? Yeah, go on, just. And that's how you pressurise it like that.
And you can also put warm water in, not red hot, but you can put warm water in it.
Yeah, and it keeps it warm for a couple of hours. So I will put a link in the description, and you can check it out for yourselves. But we will be using it.
We're in Scotland, and we're wild camping. One of us is going to be using this shower.
Now we have actually got a actual shower tent as well.
We did show you in another video, but we didn't put it up.
Yeah. So in an upcoming video, we are going to use it. And you know what? If it's a warm day, I'm going to get Brooke with a bikini on in the back garden.
I'll get Tom in his bikini on.
Comments below. Do you want to see, not me in a bikini?
Tom in a bikini.
No.
Tom in a bikini.
No. Comments below. Brooke in a bikini in the shower tent to try it out.
In a bikini. Put it in the comments below. Thor's saying Tom in a bikini.
Oh, we're still going on right. What I'm going to actually do now is, Brooke's actually going to go to work, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go and take Thor out for a bit in Goit Valley, so I'll see you over there. Such a beautiful area here. So guys, we're actually going to be having a van meet at Goit Valley really soon. It's going to be within the next few weeks. Now if you go to our Facebook page, dubventures, and our Instagram page, dubventures, we'll be posting updates of what the date is going to be. Now it's going to be a weekend, but we will let you know exactly when it's going to be. All campervans are welcome. It doesn't matter what campervan it is. If it's a van and you're camping it, come along and meet a lot of like-minded people. Now we have had van meets before and they're absolutely amazing, so we look forward to seeing you guys there. Right, I'm going to relax around here for a little bit, take this little guy for a little walk. Do you know what guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. This is what it's all about. One life, live it. I'd like to invite you guys to consider hitting that subscribe button while you're here. It really helps the channel out, and for you guys it's actually free. And what the subscribe button actually does is when you press it and hit the notification bell, every time we put a video on like this, you'll get a notification so that you can be one of the first people to watch it. So please do consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until the next one guys, bye for now.